Hello everyone, I'm Andy Morris with Jerry Becker. Today we're going to dive in some of the recent enhancements that Sage Intacct rolled out for their financial management platform. So let's jump into our series called Smart Moves, What's New in Sage Intacct. Today we're going to look at another feature that has been added into Sage Intacct during Release 3 of 2025. Release 3 came out just last week. And one of the features of Sage Intacct is its focus on the automation, AI. And of course, the name that Sage uses is Copilot. So we'll see here that Copilot now includes the ability to do the close assistant. How do we have the system track every step that we need to take so that we can do monthly closing, for example? Now, as I go and click on the Run Assistant, the first thing it's going to look for is what period are you looking to close. Now, also notice this too, all you to understand the hierarchy, I'm at the top level. So you run the Close Assistant for each of the companies or entities, and then of course you could also run it at a top level, right? So it's going to look at here and look at the fact that if I close last in December of 2017, then this is my next month to close on. So it's now, by telling it what the next reporting period is, it's going to go and come up with all the steps that are needed to close. Now I'm going to come right to the top here so you can see it's looking at subledgers first. Accounts payable. It's bringing up any links that can tell you to go review things that need to be posted if they are unposted. Reconciliation report, which it very conveniently drops into what's called the insights. So as you prepare any of the reports using the Close Assistant, there's no need to go searching for the output. Right here at Insights will take you to the results. And then finally doing the closing. But notice it also is keeping track. So as things get closed, you'd be able to see that these steps were taken, have been completed. We also see receivables, another subledger, cash management, all the bank reconciliations, close out, and then finally closing out the general ledger, and then looking at the overview of closing all the books. This is really bringing things much more automated because it's letting the system use automation to look for any of these items that may be incomplete and letting users know right away what needs to occur to finish up the Close Assistant steps. Now, you saw how I got there just by using the Copilot icon that comes up on the screen now. But it's there for a reason, and because there was some setup that needed to occur. So let me just take a final moment or two here by showing you that by using the company and then subscriptions, there is a new subscription that begins with the word Sage. So we'll scroll down till we get to the S's, and finally you'll see Sage Copilot Close Automation. Now notice that term automation as opposed to Close Assistant. That's really on purpose. In other words, there's more than one things that are happening. We just took a quick look at enabling the Close Assistant. You see that's checked. In another session, we're going to look over at the variance analysis and how you'd configure that so that artificial intelligence can always be looking for any variances that are outside what would be considered to be permissible. All right. Well, thanks everyone. That's the Close Assistant and how you can get it to start working for you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.